I started fish oils about 1950, and I've been researching fish oils and marine oils ever since. About 1957, I helped Dr. Harlow of Camp Hill Hospital prepare seal oil for his patients who were having heart problems. And this seal oil was such high quality and so easy to take that the patients actually took 2 ounces a day, just drinking it straight out of a tumbler. And their serum cholesterol went down a long way, 30% in fact. And this was before any drugs were available to help reduce serum cholesterol. This was, unfortunately, a line of research that had to be given up because we weren't allowed to have seal oil for medical research. So Canada missed the boat for about 20 years, and it's only recently that we've begun to do medical research again at Memorial Hospital here in St. John's and at Dalhousie University in Halifax. There's nothing about seal oil that is unusual if you're a marine oil scientist. I like to call it biofiltered fish oil because the seals eat the fish, purify the oil, and lay it down as a fat deposit. We make very high quality oil from that seal. And it has the 3 essential omega-3 fatty acids that we need for our bodies. We have these at all times circulating in our blood, but you can boost the level if you want to simply by taking seal oil capsules. There's a trend nowadays to encourage nursing mothers to nurse their child rather than giving them formula. And that's because human milk is recognized as the ideal food for infants. It happens that the 3 omega-3 fatty acids that you have in seal oil are naturally present in mother's milk. The unfortunate thing is that the mother tends to run out of these to some extent as the child gets older, and it's very important, I think, that the mother reinforce her body's supply of these 3 fatty acids, the EPA, the DPA, and the DHA. And these are the 3 that you find in mother's milk and in seal oil. So there is a connection there that I think should be publicized more widely, that formula is not the ideal food for infants, and mother's milk is best, and it's even better if the mother reinforces her diet by supplementing it with seal oil, because that supplies all of the essential fatty acids that the infant needs for better mental development. We all know that children have a wide range of capabilities, neuromuscular, mental, attention, and there's increasing evidence that the omega-3 fatty acids have an important role to play in these different attributes of the child's welfare when it's in a very actively developing stage.